Hello guys, this is Boopster on the line. So today I'm gonna be showing you a massive strategy that you can use in 2020. So actually what's happening? People will be selling this strategy, but now I'm recommending it to you for what is it? For free. Yeah. So try to check this strategy, use it. So I bet like 2020 will be the best year. You'll be making profits in what is it in forex trading. So if you have been encountering losses previous year and this year, so I hope this will be a life changer. So I want to share this strategy with you guys so that we can actually elevate the new year altogether. Yeah. So okay, so I'll be showing you. I won't open my MetaTrader 5 because it has a lot of things. Yeah. So we'll be using MetaTrader 4 because it's simple and it's friendly user. Everyone can use it. So yeah. Okay. So this is MT4. Okay. So let me show you how you set up the strategy. Okay. Let me remove everything. Okay. Good shot. Okay, so make sure your chart is clean. So this is what you'll do. Okay, let me remove the objects. Okay, cool. Then it's clean. Okay, so this is how it works. So we're gonna add the first indicator, which is RSI. I hope we all know RSI, relative strength index. And then it's gonna be, the period is gonna be 1, as you can see here. It's gonna be 1, and you apply to close any pixels, it's fine. And so this is the interesting part. So these are our levels. So at 90 we have a strong sell, and then at 70 we have a sell. So if you enter the strong sell, so which means at 70 you're gonna enter another sell. If it still if your trade is winning, and then you get more visible entries, like maybe using trend lines or any other method of entering the trades, so you can sell more on 70 if it's going down. So 60, it's a TP, it's a take profit from the sell, or it can be the take profit too if you bought, you understand. Yeah. So this is the 50 line. You have to wait. So 50 line, when it reaches the 50 line, you make sure you move your trailing stop, and then you protect the profit, so that if it turns back, so which means it can take the positive profit. So the 40 is the take profit 1 from below, or take profit 2 if you sold from above, and 30 you wait from from the buy. Yeah. And 10 is a strong buy. So make sure your style is 2, and pick, and the color is black. So this is how it's gonna look like when you edit. So these are the levels, and the second indicator that we're gonna add is the moving average. Moving average. So the first one is actually 5. So it's 5. The method is simple: apply to close. The color, it can be okay, let's start with the red, simple one. So the style can be 2 pixel, 3 pixel, it's fine for me. Yeah. No levels on this one is done. So this is how it's gonna look on on the indicator window. So you see, like, already you can see, if you are a trader, a most professional trader, so you can already see when it touches that level 90 what's happening. When it touches 10, you can already see what's happening. So the second indicator that we're gonna add is the moving average, the second one, which is 8, and simple, apply to close. So the color we can choose to be let me check which color is proper. Let's say cream and red. Yeah. Okay, it looks cool. Nice. Okay. And the third indicator that we're gonna add is the 11. We can use 3 indicators, 3 EMAs, I mean 3 moving averages, or 4. So actually the third one is gonna be 11. It's simple, also apply to close. And we're gonna use, let's use purple color. This is the 11. Okay, the 11. Let me check, where's my 90 level? Looks like it's gone. Okay, no, it's still there. Okay, this is a 11. And then the last indicator that we're gonna use is the 15 simple moving average. The 15. Yes, actually you can make it okay, let's make this one 15 first, and then simple, let's make a color to be let me check which color is proper for this one. Let's make it the one that is very far from the others. Let's make it brown. brown, red, brown. No. Let's make it blue. Blue, yeah. It's, yeah, blue and purple. Blue and purple don't correlate. Okay, so I want to change that one for purple. So it's actually, let's make it 13. So it's this one. The one that is 11 is actually 13. 13, and let's change that color, the purple color. So we have red, we have green, and we have blue. Which color can we take from blue? We can make it, let's make it brown. Brown, okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, so the bottom line is, here are your indicators, and here's your RSI. So the trick is when it reaches the 10 line. So let me make my phone to auto rotate, and then let's see. So let me show you how you execute trade on this ones. So this is okay. Let's say you were here. You understand? So you're here. Let me make this point. Okay, let me check. Let's say you're here, and now like this indicator was around what is it? Let's check that level between 50 and 40. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, let's go forward a little bit. Let's go forward. What's happening is, when this indicator touches, what is it? The 10 line. When it touches the 10 line, capture. That's it right there. When it touches the 10 line, you don't ask, you just buy. So okay, depending on the other strategies that you use, which is trend lines, if you use indicators, yeah, it can be, what is it, the PA type of a trader. Depends, like maybe other scalping strategies, it's fine. Whatever, maybe Bollinger Bands, it's fine. So but when you use this strategy, you don't ask a lot of questions. So look, what happened actually. It touches 10, and then it goes up. Look, when it reaches 50, it's either you decide to close your profit or you wait. You see. So what I'll do is, after I buy, I move my what is it? I move my take profit. Okay, let's say I bought here. So as it goes, I move maybe my trading stop to around this point, have the trade, and then look, when it reaches 50, here I make sure that I move my stop loss more closer to, what is it, that level, so that if it passes that level, it goes up. Then it goes up. If it comes back, then it closes on a positive profit. So let's go what is it, forward again. Let's go forward and see another entry. Look, just right there, it touches 50, it touches 10 again, you see. So this is your other buy, this is your buy. So don't hesitate, guys. Okay, it goes up, it goes down a little bit, scare you, try to, what is it, kick you out of the market, close the profit. No, it depends. If you know what kind of a trader, you know how many pips you should put your stop loss, maybe around 10 pips or 5 pips or 20 pips, maybe around this level of 1.09685. You understand? So it depends on how you trade. But look what happened. The bottom line, it went up again. The 50 level, remember, it's a major level, and then it's either you wait or you choose to close the profit. It's your choice. So look, let's go forward. Look what happens now. When it reaches 90 again, you don't ask questions. You sell. You see? You sell. So the best thing is to protect your profit if you are in profit. So yeah, this strategy, it works well, guys. It works well. Look, let's go forward. You see, now it touches again 90. So what do? We sell. But the main objective is to actually, what is it, target that blue indicator. That blue indicator is very important. When it touches what is it, the line, that's when your sell is confirmed. You understand? But what I'll do is, most of the time I sell early, as long as it reaches 90. Like, I don't care what's happening. So I want early profits. I want early pips. Yeah. So when it reaches 90, you sell again. So yeah. So this strategy works only on what is it, major pairs. So I'll advise you to use it on major pairs, not minor pairs. So major pairs, I'm talking about Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, USD CAD, yeah, you know the others. Yeah. So yeah, guys. So that's the strategy. Let's go on the other currency pairs. Okay, let's check. Maybe let's say the other currency pair, GBP USD. Okay, open the chart. So let's go. Let's check. So this is it. So let's go back in time. So okay, it works well actually on the 15. on 15 minutes chart, especially if you want to scalp, is way too much. It's too massive. So I recommend you to use 4 hour, 1 hour and 15 minutes. So yeah, so let's go back in time. So let's say we are on this point. Okay, so let's say we're on this point. Yeah, so let's go forward, 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 forward. Ha, there, right there, it reaches 90. Look, here's a big one. Ka. You see, especially when the indicators they come congested at one point. So that's a major sell signal. So look what happened. It went down, it went down, it went down. So this time it didn't reach 50. But what happened, I'm sure you protected your profit right there. You understand? Yeah. So let's go forward. It touches 90 again. You don't ask questions. You sell again here. You sell again. Ha 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 ha. It goes down in profits, ka, 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 ka. Goes down. Here again, it touches, what is it, the 10? You see? Here you're gonna buy, right? So what happens is the market is gonna go up. I don't know how it trade. You protect your profit or you're gonna let it, what is it, try to reach 50. It goes back again, try to kick your stop loss. What I'll do is actually I'll remove my stop loss. Okay, what I'll do is if my stop loss is right here, beneath here, maybe too close, I'll move it down here and re-enter a buy again. You understand? But I prefer like my stop loss to be 10 pips or what is it? 20 pips below, but in this case, so GBP USD, so let's check. Maybe my stop loss will be around here. It was gonna kick my stop loss, but what I'll do is actually move the stop loss a little bit lower and then re-enter a buy again here. Or if it went up, I protected my profit. The first thing I make sure is to protect my profits. Okay, let's go forward. Car, and this one is very big. Okay, let's check what's happening here. Looks like, okay, let me check. No, it's actually didn't touch. Yeah, so this is the one. You see, touches 90 here, touches 90 around here. So this is your sell line. This is your sell line. Is still on the sell, still on the sell. You see, yeah. So that's how the strategy works, guys. So I call it RSI May. RSI May, yeah. So just practice the strategy, guys, and check like with a currency pair. So let's check the last one. Let's check the last one. Let's check maybe okay, let's add forex. Maybe let's check USD chef. Okay, USD cat, that's the one I've been trading lately on my MT5. Okay, let's check. I remember I entered a buy or something like that. Yeah, let's check on 15 minutes. I entered a buy on 15 minutes. Yeah, good. You see, so even on it works well, guys. Like it's too massive. So you see, this is where I entered the buy. It was in profit last time I checked. So yeah, you see, cut 10 buy. You see, you don't hesitate. You don't ask questions. Yeah. So look here, 10. Okay. Wait. Okay. Okay. Let me just put it there. You see, 10, you buy. You don't ask questions, guys. You don't ask questions. So this is a strategy for you guys. It's actually a bonus for having a good December and a good time. But 2019 it was an awful year, guys. So yeah, so let's move into a new year with some strength, some energy, and collect those pips. Thank you, guys. Have a nice one. Have a wonderful one. Cheers.